Hello, parents. I want to do a quick lesson for you on how to teach your child how to blend. Now, if you want to teach your child how to read, step one, teach them the letter sounds. Step two, teach them how to blend those letter sounds together. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so you need to teach them what the vowels are. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Teach them that catchy song. Music sticks with children, and that will help them with their memorization. The vowels are 5 special letters. They're special because every word in English must have one. If it doesn't have a vowel, then it's not a word. It's just letters stuck together. So the vowels are pretty important. There is a vowel in every single word that your child will read. So today we worked on S's for strawberry. So I'm just going to take the letter S and I'm going to put that in the front of each of these vowels. And I'm going to show you how to teach your child how to blend these sounds together. So we went over today that S says S like a snake. And you can watch my video that shows that every letter has a hand motion. Make sure your children know the letter sounds first. So S says S, and letter A says ah, as in achoo. And you can get a copy of these Vowel People stick puppets, and you can practice those letter sounds. All right, so here we go. Let's do some blending with a fun little rhyme, kind of like a song that you can use to help your children pick up blending easily. S says S, A says ah. Put the sounds together, you get S, A, sa. Okay, let's do the next one. S says S, E says eh. Put the sounds together, you get S, E, say, say. S says S, I says I. Put the sounds together, you get S, I, say, say. S says S, O says ah. Put the sounds together, you get S, ah, sa. All right, last one. S says S, U says Put the sounds together, you get S, sa. So let me show you how easy it is to go from blending to reading CVC words. When I say CVC, I mean consonant, vowel, and another consonant, words with the CVC rule. So CVC. The next one is going to be C, a consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, so now show your child how to take that blend first and put this at the end. S, sa, n, sun, 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 sun. So you can see that you can go from letter sounds blending to reading in no time. It's very easy to teach your child how to read. Well, I hope that helped, and I'll see you next time. I'll try to put another tip for you.